something in the mail today. Oh, I can do it. Can you come help Daddy?
Wasn't planning on it, but
He wasn't putting a plan on it. This is for both of us. And for Cruzy. I should have let him do this. Because I'm not very good at doing stuff. Maybe you should take this from me. Look how beautiful.
I thought you said this was for both of us.
It's for both of us. He told me he didn't care what color it was. Ooh, we got us, well, can't see it.
A luggage.
We got a 3-piece luggage set. We bought it off of Amazon. It was 3 pieces for $89. It's supposed to be super lightweight. It's supposed to be really good, but we're going somewhere next week, and we're actually leaving Saturday night, but I'm not going to tell you where we're going because we want it to be a surprise. So it'll be a lot of fun. I don't even know how to open it. But it has...
I thought it had the little locks. That's zippered.
It's zippered, yeah. And it comes... There's another one.
Ooh, it is. Just like the other one, except it's smaller. And then we have
the last one. I like how it fits all inside of each other. So we got this one too.
And they all pretty much, well, these two pretty much look the same, except
Yeah.
size-wise. But
I think that's all that's in there. And they're really neat. This is what they look like inside.
that's pretty cool.
We've been wanting some luggage since we've been married. We've been married 7 years. Well, almost 7 years. It'll be 7 years next year. Oh, it comes with locks. Show them the locks.
Little combination lock.
Yeah.
Got, I don't know if all of them have it, but just that one. No, we don't have one.
And so it just like, I like how it unzips. We've been looking at some and they didn't have this little zip panel. So it completely opens up. So you can like put all your clothes and it'll be protected in this side. And then it has little pockets and this little shoe or whatever you want to put in there. Shoes, whatever. And then this is elastic. But no matter what color you get, they have like 15 colors. I'll link that in the description below. And no matter what color you purchase, they were all polka dotted pink inside. So I guess that's their trademark maybe. But the brand is called Rockland. And it had really good reviews. But we wanted something that's waterproof since it'll probably be in the back of the truck.
I don't know if it's waterproof.
Well, we don't know if it's waterproof,
find out.
but it's better than soft side luggage that you know. I mean, water can't penetrate through this, just maybe through the sides.
We can also wrap them in these.
Yeah.
There's holes in them, so it's not gonna do much good.
But it's really nice. I mean, you got this little, got that, and it's the 360 swivel like that. Anyway, I think that'll be kind of cool. Like I said, we didn't have any luggage at all. We've been using like Victoria's Secret tote bags and
duffel bags and stuff like that.
yeah, we'd have like 6 of them.
What is this color?
It says pink. It's kind of
rose color, I guess.
yeah. It reminds me of the Apple phone color.
Oh yeah,
If you
kind of
guys,
rose gold color.
yeah, it's a rose gold color, so it's really pretty.
So cool. Let's go fill them up.
Let's fill them up. I know I'm gonna start packing tonight because we're leaving Saturday night.
And
I think we're about to watch the game. I have it paused. Dwayne was on
Wayne's
there.
going back to Miami.
So far it's
happy.
okay. I'm not happy, but I just think, just my personal opinion, I think it was kind of wrong what he did. But the Miami people and the people that are fans of Miami, it really hurt. Let's just say that.
So it's
Kind of felt like you weren't his family.
It's safe to say that she's rooting big time for Miami.
I like Miami. I'm gonna stay loyal.